Hi, my name is Zakai Young from Brooklyn, New York, and I'm the class of 2021.
Hi, my name is Jared Chuka, and I'm from Gaithersburg, Maryland, and I'm class of 2021 as well.
And welcome to Putnam Science Academy. Since this year is both our first years with the Mustangs, we're here to introduce you to the school and what our lives as student athletes are like. As you see, we're entering the liberal arts building, which consists of classrooms, the art room, as well as the administration office, where you can find more information about planning the school and also find information about how the school is, the students, and just life in general.
The boys' dorms are upstairs, basketball team, as well as the soccer team. And another really unique feature about Putnam Science that really stood out to me when I first got here was this. Every time we get a new transfer student or a student from another country, Putnam Science Academy honors them with their flag and show them that they're loved, they're wanted, and they're here to stay.
PSA is excited to be expanding from a STEM school to a STEAM school. We are expanding our art program, which will also allow for postgraduate students to work on their portfolios for college admissions. Next year, we will be adding more art classes to our curriculum and are excited to see the artistic talents of our students flourish.
I think the best thing about PSA is we feel like a family. It's not like the other big schools or colleges that you don't have any connection to the people and the staff. Like here, they really treat you as a family.
Hello, my name is Habera. I graduated from PSA in 2018, and I'm currently a graphic design major student at MICO. And I'm also a singer and songwriter. When I was at PSA, Ms. Petrie helped me explore a lot of traditional visual art materials like ink, acrylic paint, oil paint, and even sculptures. And it definitely helped me build a good foundation to explore more other forms of art like sound art. I know that PSA focuses a lot on their athletic programs, but when people that don't do sports like me go there, it's not going to be a problem either because they also have some hidden gems just like their art program. So.
Alright guys, so now we're going to take y'all up to the STEM building.
No, actually, I'll take y'all up to the STEM building.
No, I think we both should take them up to the STEM
whatever.
building.
Come on, let's go.
Take a walk with us.
Yes.
The average class size at Putnam Science Academy is roughly 12 students per class. We have a 6-to-1 student to faculty ratio. We find that with smaller class sizes, our students are able to have greater attention from their teachers, helping them succeed academically. We have a brand new Mac lab for our students to use, further helping them with their academic needs.
Thank you for attending our virtual open house. I'm Mrs. Sarah Healy, the head of schools. I hope that this tour gives you a picture of our little PSA family. Our teachers are passionate about their subjects and use project-based learning, active and hands-on approaches in their classrooms to make the most out of our students' education. Our athletics focus on our students' passion and integrate that through their time here. Students are allowed to practice their craft with small group training and individual training incorporated throughout the day, on top of their formal practices in the evening. As we grow, we're taking this model of working with our students' passion and creating a curriculum to allow students to refine and to develop their talents. This model is stretching beyond athletics, and it is what our future of PSA will look like, working with our students' passion and encouraging them to reach out for their goals. I hope that you're enjoying this virtual tour, and someday soon, I'm hoping that you too will be a part of our PSA family.
Hello, I'm Dan Campbell and I'm the head of guidance here at Putnam Science Academy. And here at the guidance department, some of the things that we work with are scheduling. So what we do is we take transcripts from your prior institution and then we place you into the appropriate classes that you need to take. We are also the SAT coordinators, so we set up those tests for you. And then we also walk you through the college application process as well as the college search process as we find the right college fit for you. If you're planning on playing NCAA sports later on in college, we make sure that you're eligible with the NCAA. And we're also available for individual counseling, or if you need someone to talk to just to decompress about the normal day-to-day student life, we're also a resource for that as well. And so whether you're in a classroom lesson with us or you need help in our office, or if we're helping you online, we're here to help as a resource for you and your academic needs to make sure that you meet your goals and your full potential here with your time at Putnam Science Academy. Thanks.
Here at Putnam Science Academy, we provide an elite level of competition for our sports programs. Our men's basketball program has been a national power since 2014. We have been invited to the National Prep Championship in all 7 years. We've made 5 Final Four appearances and won 2 national championships. On the women's side, in only the 4th year of the program, we have made 3 national tournament appearances and have went to the Final Four twice.
Hi, I'm a former student from Putnam Science Academy, and I just wanted to let you know how PSA really helped me get in college and prepared for it. Thanks to the women's basketball program, I got a full D1 scholarship, which wouldn't have been possible, I think, without the willingness of the staff. When I stepped into college, I felt really ready, and that was because of my previous year at Putnam Science Academy. I really recommend that school for any international student. Americans have such different approach to sport that you really need that step before you go into college.
Our soccer program has been nationally ranked in the top 10 in each of the past 2 seasons. We have players attending from all over the world, making our teams that much more competitive. We have been able to help over 200 student athletes make their way into college programs, with over 100 of them attending Division I schools. Our goal is to help prepare our student athletes for the highest level of competition. We have a college-level weight program for our student athletes. Ultimately, here at PSA, we are driven to help our student athletes exceed their own expectations. Our Mustangs work hard, train hard, and ultimately succeed.
Here at Putnam Science Academy, the coaches are extremely reliable. They're always here to talk if you need them to, and you can count on them for pretty much anything. Coach Don, Coach Dana, and Coach Scrave. Always love to flex with their rings. And can I have one?
Hello, my name is Claudia. I'm from Spain. I'm a senior and I play soccer. And this is my room. Here is where I do my homework. Here is where I sleep. There is the flag of my country, photos with some friends and family. Here I have all my shoes. In this desk I leave all my stuff. My favorite thing of being here at PSA is that I can play soccer and study, and also because I know more people from all over the world, different countries, religions, and we know more people, and it's good because we know more things about different places.
Hi, my name is Paulo. I'm a soccer player from Brazil and I'm postgrad. Welcome to my room. Here I have a fridge where I can keep my food and eat when I'm hungry. My bed where I can rest and sleep. Right here I have a TV and I can watch when I don't have anything to do. And this table right here I used to study. I think for you who want to study and play in the same time, Putnam is the best opportunity for you, and here you can find a family.
My name is Tom Espinosa, Dean of Athletics here at Putnam Science Academy, and I'm also the head men's basketball coach for the Prep Boys. It's a special place here. I've been here since the school opened. I think we do a fantastic job working with these student athletes. I believe we get the most out of them and they reach their full potential, becoming a better person, player, and student.
Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Lynch and I'm the Director of Admissions and Residence Life here at Putnam Science Academy. Thank you so much for coming to our virtual open house today. We hope that you are just as excited as we are to have you here on campus. If you have any questions about the admissions process, please feel free to reach out to us either by email or call our office. We hope to see you soon.
As you see, we have now concluded the virtual open house tour of Putnam Science Academy. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video along with me, Jao, students, and administrators of Putnam Science Academy. Hopefully one day you can come pay a visit to our school and be part of the PSA family. Go Mustangs!